Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a tax return in Korea. First, let's cover the basics. Filing a tax return in Korea is essential for residents and non-residents earning income here. We'll look at who needs to file and the types of income that are taxable. Knowing the deadlines is crucial to avoid penalties, so we'll highlight those important dates too. This guide will make the process much clearer for you. Next, let's talk about what you'll need to gather. Having all your documents ready beforehand makes the process smooth. This includes your income statements, like a gongj, jungsung, or similar, and any receipts for deductible expenses. Don't forget your identification, such as your alien registration card. Also, ensure you have your Korean bank account information handy for direct deposit of any tax refunds. Now, let's dive into the actual filing process. The most common method is online through the Home Tax website, which is the National Tax Services portal. It offers a user-friendly interface with clear instructions. Alternatively, you can file manually at a tax office. If you encounter any difficulties, the National Tax Service provides excellent support, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. After you've submitted your tax return, there are a few more things to keep in mind. Always retain copies of all your documents and the submission confirmation for your records. Be aware of the typical time frame for receiving any tax refunds, which can vary. Finally, double-check all your entries before submission to avoid common mistakes and ensure accuracy. This will help you have a hassle-free experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.